Good morning, guys. Welcome to my channel, Ride and Nada Moto Diaries. Today we have come to see Modak Sagar, and those are my friends. One of them is a local guy here who will be taking us close to the lake. So we are going there. It's around 10 a.m. right now. We'll explore the lake. Modak Sagar Lake is situated close to a village called Themba past Khardi on the Kasara highway. The distance is close to 90 kilometers, so it would hardly take 2 hours to reach here. By the time we were riding towards the lake, according to the map, it showed to take a right at a place where there was no way for a vehicle. It was only a way which can be covered on foot, and it was on a steep incline which had loose gravels on it. As I was on Himalayan, without giving a second thought, took the route and climbed up to the top, and Prasad followed me, and so did Ketan. After reaching at the top, the map showed the destination has arrived. but in front of me only a water tank was there and the Modak Sagar lake was visible at a long distance. We then got down from the bike and climbed on the tank and stood there wondering what to do now. So guys, we actually came here following the Google Maps, and there is no road ahead. You can see here. This is the end, and the road was very steep and it was muddy and rocky. Anyhow, it was Himalayan, so it came till here. So now we have to get down back to the main road and then continue towards the dam. We'll try, if they allow us inside the dam, we'll see it, or else we'll go close to some water body, I mean this lake, and we'll take some shots there. So let's continue the ride. Meanwhile, a person who opens and closes the lock of the pipeline came there. So we inquired about the route towards Modak Sagar. He directed us. Then the task was to get down from the steep slope. If it would have been normal slope, it wouldn't be an issue, but this place was very uneven and had gravels on it, which may cause the bike to slip. So while we were getting down, Prasad and Ketan got stuck, and I had to get down and pull Prasad back. We then reached a small hotel which was the only hotel there and kept our bikes and all our riding gears there. Then a boy from the hotel showed us the way till the lake. We went there by walking as it was not too far. The view close to the lake was good and we could see the dam as well. This place had a plenty of water and during monsoon the levels may be even higher. Modak Sagar Lake is the second largest lake which supplies water to Mumbai. It is on the Vaitarna river and a dam has been built on it. This is under the state government. As the dam supplies water to Mumbai for safety purpose, public is not allowed to visit this dam. After spending some time there, went to the hotel, had some breakfast and left. So that's it, guys. Anyhow, we managed to come close to the lake. It's really good and it's good for a short ride. So we're done with the ride and we will be proceeding towards Mumbai right now. So let's start the ride and continue the ride. Let's ride.